Welcome to 12 Days of Abby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing Deminuage. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Deminuage skincare. Now they gifted me with their nano pen to try out and test out and share with you guys. So first off, I did like the packaging. It came in this nice bag with a Deminuage skincare label on it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. So first things first, you have a pamphlet that tells you how to use it, which you know I need that. So it says boost your inner glow, and it just has all the steps and everything for using it in this pamphlet. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing right now. I also got a pamphlet to register my product. I wanted to get into what I actually received. So I received two of the daily nano chips. Pretty much the nano chips is what actually goes into the nano pen, which I'll show you in a second. And if you... So it says use daily to gently condition the skin. So I got two of those, 5 in each box. So I have a total of 10, and then I also got the 5-time booster nano chips. This is, you can use it 1 to 2 times weekly for a deep boost. Okay, so let me get into what the nano pen looks like. Okay, so it came in a nice little baggie, and it says Deminuage. You guys probably won't see it because it's like really clear, but it's in this nice white bag. Okay, and then when you open it, oh, that's nice. You do get a battery. I thought there was no battery in here. So it comes like this. This is the nano pen, as you guys can see. This is the turn on button, and it comes like this, kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it. It reminds me of like a shaker thing or something. And then I did get a battery, which is nice. Good compliment to have. This uses AAA battery, I believe. So you just put it in, and you just go like that. Oh, name is on there. I didn't see that, you guys. I don't know if you guys will see that. Deminuage is right there on the label. But just to show you guys how to put it in, at least, you open it up. Hold on, I gotta get the battery out. You guys, I'm gonna go read this off camera because I don't want to break this. I'm trying to figure out exactly where it goes, and it's not making any sense as far as the battery is concerned. So I'm gonna go off camera and read the directions, but I will come back and kind of give you a more in-depth of what this is used for, and actually show you guys how I use the product. So yeah, I'll see you guys after I wash my face and stuff, because you have to. So as you guys can see, I'm opening up one of the nano chips, the daily one, and I'm about to use that one. And all you have to do is pretty much take the piece on the bottom. It kind of has a part where you kind of just twist it until it's screwed tight. Alright, and then as you guys can see, I'm just showing you what it looks like. And they said you can use any serum of your choice. For some reason, I didn't realize I don't really have much serum, so I had this mini serum, so I'm using that. And I'm not fully rubbing it on my skin. I'm just patting it dry because I didn't want to put it yet all over my skin yet. Alright, I'm pressing the button, and the bottom there's a button, you just press it and it just turns on. Now I will say this doesn't hurt at all. Like, it just has this, like, a buzzing, makes a buzzing sound, and it just feels like a buzz on your face, but it doesn't hurt. Like, I do not explain like the feeling, but it doesn't hurt at all. And one of the things that I read is just to glide it on the area only 3 times. So I was trying to do that and making sure. It's kind of hard though to remember like which parts of my face I didn't touch, but they said just go over it 3 times. Doing it too much may bother the skin. But just to tell you guys, like I said, I was going to tell you the different benefits. So it helps with fine lines. It also helps with reducing pimples and acne scars. I don't know, I was worried about putting on my acne scars. I broke out because I think I had switched my soap that I was using. I was using the same brand but a different soap, and that soap was just not for my skin. It was like for eczema skin, so I think that's what broke me out a lot. So I've switched back to the other soap I was using. But anyway, I just didn't feel like I should put them on pimples, so I didn't do that personally. But I really focused on my dark spots because it says it also helps for dark spots and helps to just the skin's elasticity. So yeah, but yeah, that is the end of my review. I do have a coupon code. I will leave it. It is Abigail0255, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it down on the screen. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.